Okay, well, I just want to say it's your birthday, guys, today, and I want to give you no. Just I want to give you something a surprise. I'll admit it in a little bit. Let me just wrap it. Okay, I got you a surprise. Look at it. Okay, here's your surprise. Oh no. It's a little fatty. Okay, I'll admit it now. It is a monkey. I tried to give you the same present. I knew you guys wanted to see it because I blocked it. I gave you a monkey toy here. Oh, you took it from me. Thank you.